We have Bitcoin versus the dollar, and we do have continuations yet again. Bitcoin closing on new highs on this rally, looking pretty damn good, pretty damn strong. And I kind of reiterate the same thing that I said yesterday and the day prior. As long as Bitcoin's above 46 on a 12-hour or 46,500 on a daily, I do not really have any major concerns for price action, or at least I don't think I do have concerns for price action, although I do not believe that they are actionable. What are my concerns? They're mostly based off the underlying market dynamics over here. Leverage ratio starting to really creep up yet again to same levels that we saw from early September. Of course, also, our April highs as well, and several other highs in between there. And of course, global open interest also creeping up here too. They're not actionable just yet, but if the market does want to wash out some over leveraged traders, that would be kind of my trigger for that event, looking for, generally price action back down towards the low 40s. And then that would probably change a lot of things. But for right now, Bitcoin kind of climbing the wall worrying, looking, I suppose, good in this case. Looking at the daily right here, what do we see? We do see daily Joule still nice and up. We see daily volatility continuing to rise. We do have a higher high in price action. We don't necessarily have a higher low just yet. So at some point, this very likely will come back down and try to set in a higher low. Just hope that higher low comes in above 46 or 46.5. For what it's worth right now, daily RSI still good, although it's going to get its first test of the bullish control zone relatively soon. So probably is going to push back relatively soon as well. Again, that might be a lead into your higher low around that 46 level. Let's go in over here. Actually, let's do it like this. See what momentum is currently at right now. We do see hourly is going to be up and at 'em as long as above 49,600, which we are currently trading above right now. By the way, I forgot to mention this over here on the hourly right here. We do have hidden bullish divergence, also fresh playing out. I mean, lower term timeframes are bullish and very likely do reach again north of 50,000 or so. Full hour, what are you looking for right here? Up as long as above 47.7. Actually, let me go to CME just to make double sure. CME is up as long as above 49.8. Okay, fair enough. So we are trending right now. 12 hours up as long as above 46.6. Good. And daily is going to be very obviously up as long as above 42.5 as well. So, if you're bullish right now, which I don't really see a reason not to be, I suppose, all higher term time frames looking good here. 5-day is going to be closing on spot price action in a couple days here. CME is going to close tomorrow, actually at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Any sort of a closure really above this $48,000 level right here, I really don't think that you're going to see too much stopping you from, deep 50s after that point coming into later this month, perhaps. I mean, it's not going to be like a straight shot up, obviously, but generally speaking, I'd be looking for a nice float up there. Probably also in line, with the 1 spot 282 extension off the prior range that we're kind of working off of, and volume profile also going to be showing some activity in that region as well. I mean, very, 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 very little things going on in the low $50,000 region. So, do keep an eye on that as well. We are going back to the short-term timeframes over here. I would be looking for a short-term time frame pullback if we get an hourly closure below, let's call it 48.8 in this case, looking for a move back down towards the point of control towards 47.5 or so. Again, not super concerning for the general long term, as long as we're above 46.5 pivot. Below there, that's where I start to look at all of the underlying market dynamics is starting to be actionable. But for right now, Bitcoin showing some strength and probably puts the rest of the market on its back, or at least if the other coins have been strong, which several have, they're probably going to go for a nice little run here too. Other than that, what else am I missing right now? Yes. Let's see. So for general areas of interest, the upside on the short term on a continuation phase right here, I'd be looking somewhere around the top side trend bound on the daily. Going to be just around anywhere between about 50,500 to 51,000 bucks, and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Other than that, pretty much same things as yesterday. I do think that there are some reasons to be cautious here, obviously, but again, not actionable for the same reasons that we postulated yesterday and on this morning's video as well. So with that said, I hope this one serves you well. Be back on tomorrow with the same analysis, same time, same place, same channel. With that said, take care, and until next time.